Welcome back. Hello and welcome back to my channel. I am NicholeYoYo, and for today's video I figured what we were going to do is we're going to play around with my nose contour. Yes, I don't have any on right now. This is actually like the perfect day to do this video because I'm sick, so that's why I sound weird. I thought I was losing my voice this morning. Nope, turns out just got a lot of phlegm. Okay, I don't know if you noticed in my last video, but my lips were disgusting the entire time. I had like white crusties. Also, I got new nails and it was distracting me the whole entire video. So I just want to make sure I don't have them right here. Today's video, nose contours. I'm going to zoom you in and we're just gonna do it. So I've been thinking about different things to do for videos, and I thought, why not try and like contour my nose in different shapes. Contouring can literally change the shape of your face. Got a little bit going on here. I don't have these cheekbones in real life. Like, you guys have seen me without makeup. It's not pretty. Maybe a little messy too, but I'm just gonna blame it on my sickness. You can use contouring to change the entire shape of your face. You can do it to have a little nose. You can do it to have a big nose. You can do it to have like a sharper line for your cheekbones. You can get rid of your 20 chins like I do. Or, you know, you can like recede your forehead just a little bit. Or you can use like highlighting to bring out the points you want to. So like I can make the bridge of my nose look super huge. I can make it look super small. Oh, that was terrible. I sound so bad. I apologize for my voice. I should be at work, but I have no appointments today. So this is what I'm doing with my time instead. We're just gonna jump right into it. Also, my hair wrap, I just have to let it hang down and show it off because I spent a few hours on it. So there we go. Hold on. Well, can't you just drink like a normal cat? Am I even centered? Where am I? I said earlier that it's like the perfect time to do this because I'm going to be constantly Why? I'm going to be constantly blowing my nose so I didn't powder my face, and we're going to do different nose shapes. So, you know, yeah, since my face isn't powdered, I can easily remove the nose to do another nose. Oh, I'm so sorry. I had tacos and I used like a jalapeno lime sauce on it, and like the jalapeno is just not doing me good today. It's effing me up, fam. So the bronzer I'm going to be using is my Too Faced Chocolate Soleil medium deep bronzer, and this is the one that I kind of have here. This is what we're using for my nose. The first one that I'm going to do is my normal nose contour. So look at my nose now. I take the side of my contour brush and I dip it, and I just kind of like go up and down my nose like this. Do you see? It looks a little more caved in now. And I do the same on the other side. It's not usually this harsh, but I didn't powder my nose, so it's gonna need some blending. And then I like to do the tip of my nose like this, and then I'll take like a cleanish side and just go back over it. Then I'll like pinch my brush together, dip back in, and then I will take it right on the tip of my nose because I like the whole button nose. So then it creates like, it looks like it turns up a little bit. And then I'll tap over it with my sponge to soften it a little bit. And if I'm feeling really snazzy, I'll take some concealer and boop it here. I'll go up and down like this to give it a little extra dimension. And there we go. This is my normal nose contour right here. So we're gonna take off this nose and you're gonna see the ugly truth. Here we are. It's a little early for Christmas, but hey, Rudolph is real, and he is right here. So now I'm going to take more foundation and put it over my nose, like so. And we're going to recover this up. Now, I want to give the illusion of having like a really wide nose. Kitty hairs on everything per usual. Now I'm going to take an eyeshadow brush for a little more precise detailing. I do have like a flat brush. Oh, let me grab it. I have this like flat brush right here that's like this that some people will use to contour with. I don't like to use these to contour because I feel like this can get messy quickly. I just prefer to use my fluffier brush because I feel like it blends out a little bit easier. We're taking this eyeshadow brush, and you know what? I'm gonna give myself a fat nose. And I usually try and go like on the bridge here, but you know what? We're gonna go on the outside of that. And we're gonna just kind of bring it, we're gonna give myself a fat tip too. Do you see that? I look like I have a fat nose. Oh. All right. I have a wee nose. Do, 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 do. Or like a Squidward's nose. I don't like this. Here's my, I'm just gonna mess around with it. I'm gonna mess around with this one a little bit. I wanna see what happens when I do. I'm gonna put just like a little bit right here. This is my Owen Wilson. That's what it is. This is Owen Wilson right here. Okay, I'm gonna add a, Look at this nose, girl. That's my new nose. Next one. Watch this. Oh, that hurt my head, but no airflow. Okay, we're ready for the next contour. Now, I want to do a tiny nose. A tiny, tiny nose. We're gonna do like a snatched ass nose. What nose? Now I'm gonna take a little bit of concealer and we're gonna really highlight this nose. This is a thin nose. Now we're gonna convert this nose. Okay. Can you guys guess who I am? Can you guess who I am? Ew! Well, there's this nose. Here's sound to the effect. What? If you want an uplifted nose, this is all you gotta do. Next nose. I did spend a little bit of time trying to look for like different shaped noses to contour, but I couldn't really find anything. So we're just gonna have to get a little creative. And I'm also switching what I'm using to contour with. I want to use a cooler shade so it looks a little more contoured. So I'm taking my e.l.f. contour palette right here. I've used the Pooh out of these two shades, but I'm gonna take this one over here because this one's the darkest. I want to do a circle nose. I look like I can breathe really well, but honestly, I can't. What happens if I just fill in the circle then? And I just contour the tip of my nose to not be there. That's what happens. I just look dirty. I'm a brown noser. What if I do like a squiggly nose? Hello, SpongeBob. I look like I'm blowing my nose in the process of blowing my nose. Ooh, how would that look if I just went... I am gonna be honest, I'm running out of ideas. This is my squiggle wrinkle nose. My squinkle nose. We're gonna go back to plain nose. We're gonna play around with some face contour. I think for this next contour, I am going to use that brush I showed you before. I just need to find it. Oh, found it. I'm going to try and give myself like a look. So we're gonna start here, and then I'm going to like bring it down here, like so. And look, I look dirty, but also, ooh, she got a cheekbone on her. What face? We're gonna loop it down here. We're gonna do the same over here. There. Nice and chiseled. She is looking fly. Oh!
Don't fuck with me. I'll kick your ass.
We are gonna do the butt chin. This is not just any butt chin. This is a strong ass butt chin. Fuck with me, I dare you. And you know what? Let's just do another butt nose. Ooh, we're gonna make myself look really sad. I'm just really sad. I feel like I gotta do my brows like to make them look sad too. We're just messing around at this point. Looks like I'm just going. Maybe if I'm super concerned about your performance at work. I'm very concerned about your attitude lately. You know what? Since we're here, let's just do these too. We're going back to the nose. What else can I do? And let's do some wrinkles on the side of my eyeballs. What about bags under my eyes? It's been a long week. We're just adding wrinkles at this point, because why not? I think I've done everything that I can do. No, I haven't. Since we're already down this road, we're just messing everything up. These brows have too much shape to them. Perfect. There. I'm done. I don't think there's anything else I can do. This is the new me. My voice matches how I feel inside, which is dead. And I look a little crypt keepery, but I think it's a look. So I just want to apologize for this video not being just nose contour. Apparently I took it to a whole nother level, which should have known I was gonna do this at the beginning, but this is me now. This is how I'm doing my brows now forever. Loving the butt chin, loving this like, ooh, snatched, like, it's nice. I probably could have gone a little harder on the wrinkles. Oh, I kind of look like the Grinch. I wasn't meaning to do that, it just sort of happened. He like pushes his lip down and then he smiles. He's like, Thanks for watching me mess around with my face today and contouring. If you made it this far, congratulations. If not, that's okay, because I probably would have been like, this lady is, what is she? I'm gonna go now. Thank you for watching again. Make sure to subscribe to my channel. You can click the bell notification button, but like I've said before, who knows if I'm gonna be who knows if I'm gonna be consistent. My socials are in the description box below. Leave me a comment if you want. You don't have to. Like, subscribe, and all that good stuff. So if you have any ideas for my next video, please let me know, because clearly I'm running out of ideas here. Okay, well, thank you and goodbye.